Alright guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. Guys, you know that I am your lady Tania, and I want to thank you for tuning in to the program and supporting at all times. Well, now I am at Mr. Smith's house. I'm just going to see the update on what has been happening so far and what it is that they have done. So I'm just going to see. Good evening. I'm late. Hi little ones. How are you? You're on the site working? How is school going? You're sure school is nice?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, say hi. All right. Hi, how are you? A new face? You never there yesterday? Oh, Saturday. Yes. This is what you have done so far. So this is the veranda area right here. Veranda area, and then over there is the kitchen area. Okay, and then we have the room that is here. Hold on, I'm coming. Why? Oh, you're going to work on that part now? Okay, but it's neat, man. May I say neat? So we're not going to dump up on the inside? Yeah. Woo! Let me walk around. Or I can't walk here, so. Okay, so you're going to block up around this side now. So it's in the room. Oh, it's right here, so inside the bathroom going there. Right at this area. Yes. So what you're going to do? You're going to lick out there, so? But so far. Eh?
Just call me name to my brother.
Yeah, I did live. I did on a caveman house. Oh, maybe you never know, say me. Thank you all for supporting the YouTube channel Chat Jamaican with Tania. Blessings to all my subscribers. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and also sharing the channel with others. This is day 3 and 4, and the men are working diligently to ensure that the task is completed. Mr. Smith is very blessed and happy that he is getting his new home. He extends his love to everyone who has been supporting him, and he is strong. He will also require a black drum to store water in, so that it can support the bathroom. If you want to donate a drum, please reach out to me. I will also be needing support to get a bed and a stove for comfort. To all the donors supporting this project, your support is valuable. We couldn't have started without you. An update will be given thanking all the donors in a special dedicated video. Please tune in so that you will see that update soonest. More than likely, close to when the house is completed or after the house is completed. If hard work is your weapon, success will be your slave. What we're actually doing here is working hard in silence, and success will be making the noise when the house is completed. Alright, so just in case I forgot, so this is the stone dust, which is the fine marl, and over here would have been the all-purpose marl. So both of them mixed, but they were side and side beside each other. So the fine marl here, which they call the stone dust, right? And then the all-purpose marl now include the dust grit, the other type of marl and everything. So these are the two.
numbers.
Hola.
2 runs left to go in now for race number 2.
Passing through.
Yep. Hold on, hold on.
Oh, Lord. Nah, go on, good man. So how is everything, Mr. Paul?
Yes,
How is everything?
well, that's the black one.
But you look like you got big.
Shut up, 15.
Oh, so this is the bathroom.
One bedroom.
Okay.
With a bathroom.
With a bathroom. Same time, him in bedroom, I want to go bathroom. Shut in door. In bedroom door.
Mm-hmm.
No door upon the bathroom.
Yeah, cut down pan cost.
Mm-hmm.
And nice, I like it. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.